WaterWare is a waterproof cover that can be used with SONNET 2. It allows you to swim and do water sports with your audio processor. Before attaching WaterWare, first switch on your SONNET 2 with a standard battery pack cover attached. Carefully insert the coil into the WaterWare sleeve. Hold the battery pack between your thumb and forefingers and insert the ear hook and turn it until it reaches the end of the cover. Hold the control unit with one hand and use the other hand to pull the WaterWare cover over the battery pack. It will be a tight fit, so there will be some tension. Make sure WaterWare fits snugly around the entire processor without any wrinkles or bubbles, and check that the coil cable is not twisted inside the cover. With clean, dry hands, apply the adhesive strip to the bottom of the battery pack, following the shape of the processor, but do not seal it completely. Place SONNET 2 on a flat surface. Hold on to the coil and run your fingers along the cable to press out any remaining air. Seal WaterWare completely by applying the rest of the adhesive strip. There should be no gaps between the strip and the cover. Check again that the audio processor is sealed on all sides and that there are no wrinkles or bubbles. Each adhesive strip can be used only once, but each WaterWare cover can be used up to 20 times. We recommend using an additional fixation device during swimming, such as a swimming cap.